Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has categorized VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.19. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.52%. In practical terms, this represents an average return of 0.29% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend are anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 1.47% to positive 3.78%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 22.84% over the next year, with a potential return between 16.71% and 24.83%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately $645.89 to $690.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for VOO as ETF downgraded to hold accumulate." The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of 0.439% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, dropping from $555.85 to $553.41. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.82%, with a low of $550.97 and a high of $555.49. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.4% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume also fell on the last day along with the ETF, which typically indicates a positive sign as volume should align with the ETF's movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 14,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $561.65, while the lowest was $443.75. Currently, the price sits at 1.47%, or $8.24, below the 52-week high of $561.65, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. In today's market update for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, we're observing mixed signals that are influencing both short and long-term price movements. Packaging Corporation of America has emerged as the poorest performer on the S&P 500 following a disappointing earnings report, revealing underlying industry challenges that could affect related sectors. As we approach the Federal Reserve's crucial interest rate announcement, U.S. indices, including the S&P 500, are showing signs of stability, which may provide a temporary boost to VOO. However, concerns regarding consumer confidence, which has recently declined, along with geopolitical factors related to tariffs, could heavily impact investor sentiment. On a more positive note, a technology-focused company has recently reported exceptional earnings, providing leadership in the S&P 500 today. This reinforces the potential of technology investments, even as previous sell-offs caused panic among investors due to concerns over inflated artificial intelligence investments. The ongoing resilience of the S&P 500, despite recent volatility, could help mitigate risks associated with short-term downturns and position VOO favorably for long-term growth, especially if economic indicators stabilize. Nevertheless, persistent scrutiny of market dynamics and consumer sentiment will be crucial in forecasting VOO's path in the months to come. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the fund, suggesting a positive forecast. Should there be further gains, the fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $556.04. Conversely, if it declines, the fund will find support from the long-term average at about $548.60. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 1.3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 120 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $551.23. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. In general, this exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF moved $4.52 between its high and low, which reflects a change of 0.82%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.87%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for VOO is at $554.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $551.23. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $530.19, which reflects a decrease of 4.2%. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, demonstrates very low daily movements, which results in a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these compelling enough to classify it as a buy candidate. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have adjusted our analysis from a buy to a hold or accumulate rating since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 30th of January, we anticipate VOO to open down 12 cents, starting at $553.29. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.